we will read Unit 3. In Unit 2, we have learned that Kepler had landed on the earth along with his father. Now, Unit 3, someone called out to my father, Governor, the press and TV are waiting for you. So, someone called Kepler's father that the press and the TV are waiting for him. Oh, sure, I will come right away. So the governor responded that he would come soon. I watched him leap down the aisle. Aisle means a narrow passage between the two seats. So Kepler watched his father. Immediately I swung my legs down to the floor. So Kepler was Kepler was practicing to stand on the floor. So he swung his legs down the floor. I realized standing was tough and walking was very difficult. So to Kepler, it was very hard to stand, and walking was very difficult as he had come across a long journey and there was a weight difference. I practiced one foot and then the other, up and the down aisle. So he was carefully walking on the aisle, holding on to the seat's back for support. So he was supporting on the seats. I put on my jacket and walked with difficulty. Putting on his jacket, he walked with difficulty to the exit point. So he came to the exit point. I saw a crowd of reporters and cameramen surrounding my father. So he also saw the cameramen and the reporters. It was really a new world. That means the new world, our earth, had surprised Kepler. There was a storm of voices. That means many people were shouting. How loudly the people of the earth talked. So it made Kepler surprised that the people of the earth are shouting in very high pitched sound. Governor, would you say the differences between earth and the moon people can never be solved? So some reporter was asking Governor this question, if the differences between the earth and the moon people can ever be solved. I am convinced that with a clear understanding of our problem, the differences can be settled in a friendly manner. So Kepler's father was answering to the reporters that someone had convinced him to come to the earth, that they would make a clear understanding of their problem. The differences can be settled in a friendly manner. So someone promised Kepler's father that the difficulty can be settled in a friendly manner. Governor, how long do you think you will stay on earth? So next question was, how long did he stay on earth? I guess that it may take as long as 6 months to a year to settle our differences. So they will stay. That means Kepler and his father would stay on earth from 6 to 1 year. One last question, third question. Governor, now you are back on earth again. Will you will tell will you tell our listeners which is really home to you, earth or moon? So this is quite typical question. So what was his home, moon or earth? That's a difficult question to answer. All my cultural ties are with earth. That means Kepler's father, earth was a source of cultural information, and everything that is associated with culture is related or was related to art. But I must say that it is the moon where my present and future lie. So he no one can forget his motherland. So he was telling that present and future lie with moon. My son was born there, my wife was buried there. My work is there. It is good to be back on earth, but moon is home. So he was really happy that he had returned or came back to the moon. But to moon is or was his real home. Father saw me standing among the reporters. He gave me his horn. So his father stretched out his hand to reach to Kepler. We walked together on the landing pad. So they started landing on the soil of the earth. The sun was gently warm. I looked up. So he looked up and felt, he means Kepler looked up and felt the warmth of the sun. It was strange being outside without a space suit. So it was quite strange to Kepler to landing on the earth without a space suit. Earth will certainly be fun. So he was telling in his mind that really the earth is a funny place. That means he enjoyed a lot in the art. I lay back and thought of the pyramids and the Taj Mahal and the mysterious jungle buildings of the Incas. So Kepler was thinking about the interesting places of the art. That means the pyramid, the Taj Mahal, and the Incas. Mysterious means interesting or strange. Incas means a people of ancient civilization that are in Central America. Would 6 months be time enough to see it all? So Kepler was wondering whether the 6 months was enough to cover all the world or the beautiful places of the world. So we have finished this chapter.